How to add portfolio to Webflow. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add portfolio to Webflow. To add this is very simple. The first thing to do is log in into your to log in into your Webflow's account. Now once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to move over to um your site, the site that you want to add a portfolio to, and then click on Open Designer. Once you click on Open Designer, you will redirect to the designers page, and on this page, you would be able to edit your site and customize it the way you want. So once you're on this page, the next thing you must notice that you have to do two things. Okay, the first thing is to upgrade your account from a free version to a paid version. It is because for you to be able to add a portfolio to your Wix website, you have to use the embed option, and this option or feature is only found under the paid version of Webflow. So once that is done, open your web browser and then type in the domain name for F-site, which is www.fsite.com. Once you type it in, you will be directed to the home page of F-site. On this home page, create an account. Once an account has been created, move to the right side of the screen and then click on the search bar and type out portfolio. Okay, type it out properly. Then once you type it out, you'll see portfolio. Click on it. Once you clicked on it, you'll be directed to the page where you'll be asked to choose a template. So choose the template depending on the kind of portfolio you want. As a product photographer, just select it, move around up and move around it and select the one you want. Then click on continue with this template. Then once you click on continue with this template, you'll be able to edit all of these pictures here and even add more if you want to. You can change the color, the layout, etc. And move to publish at the top right corner of the screen. Once it has been published, you'll be asked to select a plan. Just select the one that you can afford and then copy the code. Once you've copied the code, go back to your site and then click on the plus icon at the left side of the screen. Once you click on the plus icon, a box will be displayed. Scroll down until you get to the advanced tab and then select the embed option. Once you've selected it, long press on it and then drag it and drop it on your page. Once you've dropped it on your page, a box will be displayed. In the space made available, paste your code. Once your code has been pasted, automatically the portfolios page will be added to your site. Very easy and simple. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.